Afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Please turn your book on page 28.
Wait.
Wabok.
Lamang.
But before we start, I want to give you all. Ay, hindi. Take. Ano ka, nakapin again. But before we start, gusto ko bigyan ng interpretation nyo or understanding sa topic natin, which is history of media and communication. Isa-isa. Starting from Sean. Bibigyan ka ng understanding mo or kung anong alam mo about sa history of media and communication. Isa-isa.
Expectation?
Hindi expectation. Understanding mo anong ating sa topic na yun.
Media and communication started from writing letters by paper and then evolving into phones.
Tingnan natin later. Kaya.
It's how people communicate with one another.
Tingnan natin. Ikaw, Ana.
Evolution of using meaning of communicating.
Oscar.
How communication begins.
Ayaw. Okay. Reggie.
The technologies that were used for communication.
Okay. But our objectives, matukoy natin yung meaning ng communication, papers and paper, the rise of newspaper, the rise of nations, static to moving image, the rise of internet and the new media. Internet in the Philippines and social media. Introduction. Communication began as drawing on walls of caves and carvings on bark of trees and much later on papers and parchment. Each of these illustrate the human capacity and desire to interact, link up, and build connection. Social gatherings were means by each they reach out to each other as a member of the community. They spoke to one another using song, dance, and prayers. In the pre-colonial societies of the Philippines, arts and crafts were created expression, the means by which they transmit to the younger generation their most cherished values and achieve their collective memory as a community. So, sabi niya siya kanina, ano tayo mga yun, nagbigay sa paper and nag-evolve. Tama rin naman, pero sabi niya dito, nagsimula daw yung communication sa mga drawing sa walls. Yung sinabi natin ni Reggie, yung mga sinawa ng tao. Na yun na, nagsimula sa ano. Tapos, ayun yung way nila ng pakikipag-communicate dati. Not like right now na parang nakipag-usap na tayo sa isa. Wala pong ganun. Kumbaga, through drawing pa. Tapos, yun nga, ang isa pa din sa kanilang way para makipag-communicate is kapag meron silang social gatherings, ang ginagamit nilang way para makipag-communicate ay song, dance, and prayers. Papyrus to paper. The history of printing spans various Asian cultures with significant advancement in China. By 105 CE, the Chinese developed silk paper, and by 800 CE, they used wooden block printing for full-length books. Movable type technology created by Pishing using baked clay and glue immersed in China and Korea. GPG in 1377 was an early example of this technology. In Europe, the Christians invented the codex around 100 CE. An early book formed with bound pages. The modern era of printing began at Johann Gutenberg in 1394 to 1460, who developed the movable metal type machine. This innovation allowed for the mass production of pages by pressing ink type onto paper. Gutenberg Bibles produced around 1455 was a notable early publication. The Platter, the first date book from 1457, showcased color printing and set a high standard in the industry. So, yung history daw ng printing ay ginagamit na ng mga Asian cultures, yung mga inuno natin. Pero, originated talaga siya sa China. Parang ng China ang palawak ito. Nagkaroon ng advancement ito. Short history.
Grabe ba?
Right.
The Gutenberg printing press enabled the production of newspapers. The first reported newspaper emerging in the 17th century England. Initially, the monarch tried to suppress newspapers, but merchants supported their growth due to their ability for global news. By the late 1600s, England's shift to parliamentary rule and its focus on commerce and naval power further accelerated newspaper production. The printing press success led to the establishment of the printing industry as a significant commercial entity. The printers becoming artisans and breakers. By the 1700s, the concept of a free press emerged, challenging authoritarian control and supporting emerging town-based business. The adversarial press, spurred by British colonial hesitation, advocated for economic successors and contributed to the rise of the Industrial Revolution in the nation states.
So, yun na. Dahil kay Gutenberg, doon nagsimula yung karoon ng newspapers sa England noong 1600. Ano tawag?
1600s.
1600. Yan. Tapos, gusto siyang i-control ng king nila, pero sinuportahan siya ng mga negosyante, yung mga merchants, dahil helpful nga yung use. Alam na natin yung mga jaryo. Yun yung way para ma-spread yung information tsaka yung mga awareness nangyayari sa society. Pero yun, hanggang sa kalaunan, hindi na parang hinayaan na. Sa Pilipinas naman, unang lumabas ang newspaper noong 1800s. At ngayon may karamihan na nasa online na. Static to moving image. Film. George Eastman created Kodak within the film industry until after World War I. Thomas Edison and William Wilson used photographic film strips to create motion pictures with evolution of movement. The Lumiere brothers improved film projectors, and Edison introduced large screen projections with the Vitascope in 1896, which amazed audiences with lifelike image. Television. The term television appeared in 1907 and the first broadcast was in 1928 from General Electric Studio. By 1930, RCA advanced the technology of electronic scanning. President Franklin Roosevelt appeared on TV in 1939 and Nazi Germany used TV for propaganda. Commercial TV started in the US in 1946 and the Philippines launched in 1953 with early efforts by James B. Wilson and Antonio Quirino. So, Oscar, ano ang understanding mo dito sa binasa ko? Kung ano lang naiintindihan mo? Hindi ko pa expect pero sort mo lang ako. Oh my God, okay. Ha? Ano yung understanding mo dito? Kahit brief lang.
Kung paano nag-begin yung
Si George Eastman ang gumawa ng Kodak at naging leader sa film industry.
Ayun.
Kasi na Edison at Dixon ang gumamit ng film strips para sa motion pictures, yung mga nagalaw na ano, So, parang video na siya. At in-improve naman ng Lumiere Brothers ang mga projector. Yes, ready?
Advancements ng mga video and
Yes.
images throughout the years.
Tapos noong 1896, nag-introduce naman si Edison ng malaking screen projections na nakapahanga sa mga tao, sa mga audience. Then, television, lumabas naman siya noong 1907. Tapos noong 1939, nag-appear si President Roosevelt sa TV. Tapos doon nagsimula din yung commercial sa US noong 1946. Tapos, na-launch naman sa Pilipinas yung TV noong 1953. Transformation from traditional to media. 1950s, technology advances. Development of semiconductor device and integrated circuits. Introduction of early electronic computers like LBM 701. 1969, beginning of network communication. Creation of run by the U.S. Department of Defense. First connection established between UCLA and Stanford Research Institute. 1971 to 1983, evolution of Internet. Transition from ARPANET to a broader Internet. Development of TCP or IP, which became the standard Internet protocol. 1991, introduction of the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee initiated the World Wide Web. Creation of HTML, URI, and HTTP technologies for the web. 1990s, emergence of search engines. 1999, creation of ARCHI, the first file index. 1991, development of Cooper for text-based searches. 1993, release of Mosaic, the first graphical search engine. 1994, launch of Yahoo and Lycos enhancing search capabilities. 1996, emergence of Google using page ranking for better information retrieval. So, sa 1950s, nagkaroon daw ng mga advancements sa technology tulad ng mga semiconductor device at integrated circuits. Sa 1969 naman, nagsimula ang network communication ng gumawa ang ARPANET sa US Department of Defense. Tapos sa 1971 to 1983 naman, nag-evolve ang internet sa ARPANET at nag-develop yung TCP tsaka IP na naging standard protocol na. Tapos yung 1991, nag-initiate naman si Tim Berners-Lee ng World Wide Web. Kasama ang mga technologies ng HTML, URI at HTTP. Yung mga ginagamit natin ngayon. So, mga familiar na kayo. Tapos 1990s, lumabas naman yung mga search engine. Nag-create din ng archives. Yun. Ano yun? Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Sige. Nakapag-good. Internet in the Philippines. The Internet in the Philippines officially launched on March 29, 1994, when the country connected to the global internet through PLDT network in Makati. This development followed earlier efforts starting with the first local bulletin board system in the late 1980s, which allowed users to exchange messages using an IBM XT clone PC with a 1200 BPM modem. In 1987, inter-BBS connectivity was established via the net exchange, enabling communication between different BBS and Metro Manila. By the early 90s, multinational corporation began offering email gateways, and the Philippines government became involved through the PhilNet project, launched in 1993 with support from Department of Science and Technology and key universities like UP, Inigo, and De La Salle, who then connected to a gateway at Victoria University Australia, paving the way for the Philippines for integration in global internet. So, ang internet daw here sa Philippines ay na-launch ng March 29, 1994 din. Karoon sila ng tawag ba din? Negotiate sa mga global internet social media. Doon, yun ang simula ng internet sa Philippines. Social media. With the advent of digital technologies, social media emerged as a powerful tool for communication and interaction, enabling users to connect, share, and access information on a global scale. Social media platforms operate on the World Wide Web or mobile apps, allowing users to create profiles, link with others, and share content in real time, including text, audios, and video. They also facilitate dialogue through likes, comments, and emojis, fostering communities of people with shared interests. The first social media site, 60 Degrees, launched in 1997, allowing users to create profiles and connect with friends. The concept of blogging followed in 1999, providing a space for personal expression in 2002. Friendster introduced enhanced social and networking features, promoting the idea of online communities, though it eventually declined due to technical and financial challenges. So, go ahead. Anong ginagamit ng social media? And bakit siya tingin mo useful? Para sa ating
Facebook
Bakit?
and Messenger
Bakit?
because it helps us communicate with each other and
Kahit bata, mga 5 years
yung mga
old,
updates.
5 years old kaya magtanda na, yung cellphone pa rin. Dahil yung ginagamit nilang way para makapag-communicate sa mga pamilya nila sa ibang bansa. Na kung mga mama nyo, di ba, ginagamit yung messenger para makakausap sila. So yun. Tapos yung first social media nga is na-launch noong 1997.
6 degrees.
Ayan, any questions? Oo, akong tatanong.
Feeding.
Salamat.
Yay!
Pero wait. Wala akong question. Wala akong question. Ang tanong ko, ito isa.
Professor.
Lagi natutunan nyo.
Wag lang pa sa social media, wala akong...
Ito. Sino ang gumawa ng Kodak at naging leader sa film industry?
Ano yan?
Oh,
Wait.
are you listening?
Si Gadenberg.
Hindi. Pero tama. Muna yung letter G. Muna.
Wait.
Siya yung parang pinaka
Ano yung tanong? Sorry.
sino ang gumawa ng Kodak at naging leader ng film industry?
Field industry.
Nasa ba yun? Tingnan natin. Ito, nasa static.
George.
Yun, George
Eastman.
Eastman. Very good. Another question. Kailan nilaunch ang unang social media? Kailan?
1997.
Very good.
6 degrees. 6 degrees.
Ito.
Ah,
Ito.
ikaw na nagtanong.
Kailan
Ah,
Oscar? If you're listening to me. Kailan nag-start ang newspaper? Anong taon?
Eugene, pupuno ng storage ko.
Yan. Hoy. Ewan na. Anyone? Kung sinong yung mga sagot?
17.
1600s.
Very good.
Yay!
Last one.
Ay, 6.
Last one.
Ano? Tayo. Paano nakikipag-communicate ang mga sinaunang tao? Kasi, anak, hindi yung saan sila nagdodoro?
Sa mga, pwede.
Sa bato.
Asian
Bato,
cultures.
pwede ba? Bato, pwede ba?
Bato.
Thank you.
Tama?
Yay!
Thank you.
Okay, okay na?
Yay!
Thank you for listening.
Wala na, yun lang.
Okay, let's go.
Ganda.
Professor CG.